Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the second puzzle in the puzzle page, not in today's newspaper of Monday, December the 4th, 2023. Told you earlier, there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the addition, or no, not the addition, the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Yeah, weekend edition, Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 2-star Sudoku. Well, it's time now for the binary. Yes, binary. This is the binary. Binary puzzle number 7560. 7560. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? I've told you 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Let me see. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. And now. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. Well, double O, here 1, there 1. 5 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Well. Thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, there 1. I'm stuck. Wow. I'm stuck. 3. Yeah. Well, we have not a complete column, only 2 completed rows. Double 1, 1 and a 10. Well. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, no between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second one, second O, third O, fourth O. If I place number 5 there, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. That box should be no. Okay. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. Should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. If I place number 5, the fifth O, there, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And double O, here 1, there 1. Finish. 8 minutes. Well, 1 minute less than the previous Sudoku. But we solved it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.